Igbo kwen, yeah, kwen, yeah, kwezuenwe, yeah, ndewonu ndị be anyị. You are welcome back to our series leading to 1000 Igbo Words Vocabulary Bank. In this episode, we bring to you 60 unique 5-letter Igbo words. You cannot afford to miss any part of it, so we encourage you to watch this video till the very end. We don't want to waste your time. Let's dive into the class. I am the Igbo tutor, Onye Nkuzi Igbo. Let's begin. You are welcome to the class. We begin with Abali, night. Abali, night. Abụba, feather. Abụba, feather. Achara, elephant grass or Indian bamboo. The same goes for that. Achara, elephant grass. Ahụhụ, suffering. Ahụhụ, suffering. Agbara, native deity. Agbara, native deity. Aghara, confusion. Aghara, confusion. Aghụghọ, deceit. Aghụghọ, deceit. Ajụjụ, question. Ajụjụ, question. Akika, which means termite. Akika, meaning termite. Akụkọ, meaning story. Akụkọ, story. Let's move on. Next we have akụkụ, which means beside or by side. Akụkụ, beside. Akụrụ, meaning kidney. Akụrụ, meaning kidney. Akpụkpọ, skin. Akpụkpọ, skin. Listen to their pronunciations. Akwụkwọ, leaf. The same goes for book. Akwụkwọ, leaf or book. Amara, grace of God, grace. Amara, grace. Aṅụrị, listen to the pronunciation. Aṅụrị, happiness. Aṅụrị, happiness. Anwụrụ, smoke. Anwụrụ, smoke. Apata, tie, part of the leg. Apata, tie. Apịtị, mud. Apịtị, mud. Arịrị, remorseful thinking. Arịrị, remorseful thinking. Moving on. Next, we have asịrị, tale. Also goes for tale bearing. Asịrị, tale bearing. Atụrụ, sheep. Atụrụ, sheep. Azịza, broom. Azịza, broom. Bilie, get up. Bilie, get up. Chakpo or kpọnwụọ, dry up. It's also pronounced as chakpo if it is a verb form, dried up. Dupue, pierced through, or dupue, pierced through, the past tense. Echichi, title. Echichi, title. Echiche, thought. Echiche, thought. Etuto, boil, a kind of skin disease. Etuto, boil. Fụchaa, blow off chaff from grain. Fụcha, blow off chaff. Thank you for helping to keep Igbo language alive. Please subscribe to encourage us do more for you. Also like, comment and share so that others will also benefit. Thank you for doing this. God bless you. Now let's move on. Moving forward. Next we have Funwe kindle by blowing air. Funwe kindle by blowing. Gafee, pass over. Gafee, pass over. Babue, shoot to death. Babue, shoot to death. Gbochie, prevent. Gbochie, prevent. Itapu, to bite off. Of course, with the teeth. Itapu, to bite off. Itiku, to call upon. Itiku, to call upon. Jerue, walk to or get to. Jerue, walk to. Balie, stir up. Listen to the sound. Balie, stir up. Kwatue, pull down. Kwatue, pull down. Lomie, swallow up. Lomie, swallow up. Going forward. Mechie, close up. Mechie, close up. Ntute, revival. Ntute, revival. Nochie, occupy. As you occupy a space. Nochie, occupy. Nguria, rejoice. Listen to the sound. Nguria, rejoice. Nwale, try out. So try out something. Nwale, try it out. Nwura, transform. Nwura, transform. Ọchịchị, governance. Ọchịchị, governance. Ọdịda, the fall. Ọdịda, the fall. Odide, writing. Odide, writing. Ọchụcha, cockroach. Ọchụcha, cockroach. Ọkụkọ, chicken. Ọkụkọ, chicken. Otito, praise. Otito, praise. Ọtụtụ, many. Ọtụtụ, many. Palie, lift up. Palie, lift up. Pinyua, press to extinction, like we do to fire. Pinyua, press it to extinction. Rafue, deceive or deceived, depending on the sound. Rafue, deceive. Setia, draw to spread it out or to stretch it. Setia, stretch it or draw it out. Oboro, brain. Oboro, brain. Udude, spider. Udude, spider. And finally, we have Ogoro, harmattan. Ogoro, harmattan. With that, we'll come to the end of our lesson today. On the screen are displayed some selected videos and of course a list of other videos in this series. Please click on them and watch them right now. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video. God bless you.